Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you are doing really well with the preparation of IELTS exam in December. This video will help you out for December exam in writing task. I am providing you the list of collocations which can come in December exam for sure. इसलिए आप अच्छे से practice करें and you can use these collocations in your writing task and it will definitely raise your level from 5.5 to 7.5 very easily. So you have to listen to it very carefully and then you can note it down and use these collocations in your writing. The first collocation is to make a significant contribution. To make a significant contribution. Also, I can use this substantial contribution. I can also use valuable contribution. I can also use great or outstanding contribution. So you can use any of these: substantial contribution, great, outstanding, or significant contribution. Next one is you see to be the key factors. To be the key factors influencing something. Suppose I want to give you the example. The number of vehicles used is the key factor influencing the pollution. The number of vehicles used is the key factor. So you can use this in body paragraph. It will be very easy. The next thing will be to reap the benefits. To reap the benefits hota hai to gain benefit from something. So you can to make the most of something. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. जैसे आप बोल सकते हो, the customers reap the benefits of globalization. So you can use this as it is very simple to reap the benefits and it will definitely improve your level. आपका vocabulary और improve हो जाएगा. Next one will be to derive the benefit. As I said, to reap the benefit. Now this is to derive the benefit, to gain the benefit. Then next one is to entitled to do something. To be entitled to do something means everyone should have the right of freedom of expression. तो उसको हम यूज करते हैं, उसमें हम इसको यूज करते हैं. जैसे full-time employees are entitled to receive the health insurance. So they are entitled because they'll get the benefit of it. So you can use this. Next one is to enjoy or to achieve a great or huge success in doing something. Jesse, we want all the students to achieve huge success in their life. To launch a full-scale investigation into something. To launch a full-scale investigation. Now, in this case, the authorities are planning to launch a full-scale investigation into the crash. So you can use this as an example and you can use as such this line in your body paragraph. Next one, to meet the demands of, to meet the ends, to both end meet hum bolte hai. It is the same. Then to fulfill a requirement or an obligation हम बोलते हैं, तो आप उसको as such use कर सकते हो. Britain was accused of failing to fulfill its obligation. This is, for example, for instance, में हम use कर सकते हैं कि Britain was accused of doing this. Then to fulfill a promise भी होता है, to fulfill a pledge भी होता है, to keep a promise जिसको हम बोलते हैं, तो you can use as such, to keep a promise, to fulfill a pledge. To satisfy the demands, to satisfy the needs, to satisfy the desires, to satisfy the requirements. This can also be used. The next one is to make or have common sense or common cause. Suppose officials accept the other governments to make common cause, right? Means they are with or they are against it. So you can use that also. So these are the important collocations which will really help you in your IELTS writing task, whichever task you're writing, right? So you can use these words and you can use these phrases, collocations. Definitely you are going to score more bands than before. So take care, everyone. Stay updated and keep watching the videos. Keep liking the videos also. Do write in the comment box if you want anything else related to the vocabulary. Take care. Bye-bye.